Welcome back, everybody. Andrew from No Excuses TV here on Christmas Day. If you celebrate Christmas, if you don't, hope you're having a great day. If you do celebrate, hopefully Santa brought you some good outdoor tech gifts, some new gear that you may want to try out and show around and review and do all that good stuff with it. But today we want to talk about, it's a week from 2018. Crazy. I mean, I can't believe that 2017 is already gone. It blows my mind how fast this year went. But we want to talk about some stuff that we're excited about in 2018. Now, some of this gear has actually come out in 2017, but we haven't got our hands on it yet. Some of this gear won't even come out until 2018. And so we're going to put these things together, get you excited. Hopefully, throughout this year, we'll get some of the stuff, review it, show you what it's all about, explain why we like it and don't like it. But today, we're going to tell you why we're looking forward to it. So let's go. The first thing that we're looking forward to is the Sierra Designs Studio 2 tent. It's only about 2 pounds 11 ounces. It's going to be a great kind of redesign that Sierra Designs is going through right now. The vestibule is huge. You get a ton of room for all your gear. They added a little even kind of way they split the top to where it's not just one seam down the middle. There's two to give you more headroom. Looks great. We're super excited. Can't wait to get our hands on that Studio 2 tent from Sierra Designs. Second thing we're looking forward to, especially if you're an ultralight backpacker, you're going to be really excited about this, is the Osprey Levity. The one we're looking at specifically is the 60-liter pack. It's going to weigh only like a pound, like 1.8 pounds, like nothing, which is great for ultralight packing. And Osprey is still coming together and doing great with all of its compartments. The way it's organizing the backpack itself is just like Osprey. We love Osprey packs. I've got 2 myself. My wife's got a couple. We love the Osprey packs. That lifetime warranty, you can't beat that. And then the ultralight is really getting popular right now, the minimalist. I'm not a huge minimalist. I love the gear. I love taking a little gadget with me. But on this occasion, I want to go ultralight. I want to get my hands on this Levity. I can't wait to see how it works in the real world. Pretty excited about it. The third thing we're looking forward to, and it's big for the South. So in Arkansas, especially during the summer, camping is almost unbearable for mosquitoes. They are everywhere. They eat you alive. Well, Thermacell is coming out with a new radius repeller. It's battery operated. The one refill pod that you can put in there they have a 12-hour pod. They also have a 40-hour pod. It's supposed to give you a huge amount of room to where the mosquitoes are going to be repelled, which I kind of just want to get it to see what it's going to do. I'm not a big, I don't know. I'm kind of iffy on it because growing up in Arkansas, there is mosquitoes everywhere in the summer. It's almost like when the sun goes down, you have to go in because mosquitoes come out and they eat you alive. So it is horrible. Excited to see what this does because if it really repels like they say it will, then it'll completely change camping game in Arkansas and in the South really. Fourth thing I'm excited about, and I'm not a big runner. I do enjoy running and like trail running a little bit, not a ton. I want to get into more of it. And a big reason I don't like it, especially I like doing it at night, but a lot of the headlamps, the bands stretch out. Well, Petzl's got a new Bindi headlamp. It's designed kind of just for runners. It is waterproof. It's USB rechargeable. But the biggest thing is it doesn't have that normal thick strap. It's got these 2 thinner, what I think are going to be less stretch straps, meaning that the elastic won't wear out. They're not going to stretch as much. They're easier to lock in place. And that's really a game changer for me. I'm excited to see how they work in the real world. Excited to get my hands on that new strap style that is with the new Bindi. And last, but certainly not least, my favorite thing that I'm looking forward to, it's one of the biggest things I'm looking forward to with 2018 in general with gear, is the Cotopaxi Alpha. Now, it's really not a design for a backpacking backpack. It's really more for an urban, traveling, going through the airport, taking it with you. It's designed to be able to be a carry-on, so it's like 35 liters, so you can carry on your airplane. But it still has a backpack straps, it's got waist straps, it has a bunch of compartments. Like the amount of compartments on this thing is crazy. Easy access laptop compartment, easy access small compartments for like passports and your wallet if you want to keep it up there. The straps themselves you can actually pack in to the backpack so they're not so they're not hanging down in your way, especially if you're putting them in an overhead bin. Great for traveling. A bunch of places you can grab onto it, a bunch of handles. Ways to lock it down, opens up like a suitcase even. So it's got a big long zipper, opens up like a suitcase so you can pack it. I'm really excited about it. I like backpacks that you can use as a day carrier. Like with our son, we don't really have a diaper bag. I have an old backpack that I converted to because they're just so much easier to carry around. And this Cotopaxi, they've got some great amazing gear. Deluxe is something that I got into this last year, and they have a new fanny pack that I like. But this Alpha, pretty pumped for it. So that's 5 pieces of gear we're looking forward to for 2018. I know there's going to be a ton of things that will come out in the new winter show that the outdoor is going to be doing in 2018. As soon as they open that up, next year, I don't know, we'd like to actually go and give you some reports. But we'll be looking at the new things they have for winter gear, giving you reports on the things that we're excited about, things that we saw. So that'll be coming out in February. But yeah, hope you're having a great last week of 2017. Crazy, it's already here. Keep checking. 2018, we're going to have a video a week. It's going to be different things. We'll have reviews. We'll have road trip videos that we had. We'll have just things that we're excited about, things new in the outdoor world, and hopefully we can keep you following along. So if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Be sure to join us on this trip 2018 to everywhere. We're excited about 2018, excited to see what it holds. Enjoy your last week of 2017.